chapter 1, lesson, no, in chapter 1, on the origin of time, they talk about how the 1990s was the golden age for cosmology. Then they go into how it's like how cosmology is like time travel, because they are taking because they're exploring deep space as in meaning the history of the universe, because it takes light billions and millions of light years for like heat, light, and etc. to approach us, because we live very far from other universes. And how then they talk about the CMB sky map, and how they found an old relic of the Big Bang, and how it really wasn't it that and then they think that it wasn't really an explosion, because there was only carbon in the air in space, no oxygen, so there was probably no explosion or burst, but they think it's a burst of matter energy. Then they talk about very how theoretical physics works unreasonably well, and how it's hard to grasp the nature of other universes. Then they talk about how the the nature of other universes, as in the how they can have new physics and new dimensions and all of that. Then they talk about the anthropic the anthropic principle, and when it came into exist, how it came into cosmology and what it is. Then they talk about the Pa- Popper's falsification theory, um, which falsifies all theories, which proves them as false, because theories are just guesses that are not educated. They're just random guesses. So falsing them would always prove them false. And then they talk about Stephen Hawking's um, black hole theory, which is true, because black holes are in the ultimate trash cans of space. And then they talk about the no boundary theorem, which will be spoken in chapter 2.